In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a recurring invoice. We'll start from an invoice you're preparing to send and make sure it's set up to repeat automatically. First, add a due date. Setting a clear due date helps your client understand when payment is expected and can reduce back and forth later. Pick a date that aligns with your payment terms, and remember that due dates are often used by the system to time reminders, so choose one that's realistic for both you and your client. Next, add a line item. This is where you describe what you're billing for: services, products, or a flat fee. Include a clear description, the quantity if applicable, and the price. If you need to itemize multiple parts of the work, add another line. You can add as many lines as you want to make the invoice clear and transparent. The clearer your lines and descriptions, the fewer questions you'll receive after sending. Now look to the right side of your screen and find the Make Recurring option. Click on Make Recurring. This converts your draft into a recurring schedule so the system can generate future invoices for you. Once you're in the recurring settings, choose a date in the next issue date field. This is the date when the next invoice in the series will be created and sent according to your delivery preference. You can also choose the number of invoices in the series. If you have an ongoing engagement with no end date, set it to continue indefinitely. If the work has a defined duration, specify a set number so the series ends automatically when it should. This helps prevent accidental overbilling. Next, choose your delivery options. Select how the invoices should be delivered to the recipient each time. Depending on your system, this may include automatic email delivery or other available options. Then decide whether to allow online payments by checking the option to accept online payments. Enabling this can speed up payment by giving clients a convenient way to pay directly from the invoice. After you've confirmed these settings and reviewed your details for accuracy, click Done to save the recurring schedule. To send the current invoice, click on Send To. Then choose the client you want to send it to from your list. Make sure you select the correct recipient so future invoices in the series go to the right place. That's it. With the due date set, line items added, recurring schedule configured, and delivery and payment options chosen, you're ready to send and let the system handle the repeats for you.